This girl survived an airplane crash because of her hijab. Her name was Hala Atik, and in 1979 her father left Syria for California to start a new life. Few weeks after their father, Hala and the rest of her family head to the US to embark on this life-changing journey. Their path led them to stop in New York, with a connecting flight in Chicago, then finally Los Angeles. A photo was required for their green card application before getting on the plane, which required Hala to take off her hijab. Here's where a heart-stopping tale of resilience and fate unfolds. She refused, risking everything they had worked for. She was told she can't live in the US if she continued to refuse. Their dream was hung between a simple photograph and a world of resistance. Authorities were called, leading to 3 painful hours of interrogation, and they gave up and let her take the picture with her hijab on. This is where the story takes a turn. It was too late, and they had missed both their current and connecting flight. They had no choice but to buy new tickets and spend the night at the airport frustrated. Finally, in California, their father embraced them with tears of relief and said, "Thank God you're alive." Her mother replies with, "Of course we are alive, why wouldn't we be?" Little did they know that the flight they missed, Flight 191 American Airlines, would go down in history as one of the greatest tragedies, a flight that carried 271 souls, with no survivors. Hala's unwavering faith in her hijab turned out to be her saving grace. This is a reminder that Allah says, "Whoever fears Allah, He will make for them a way out." Like and follow for more surprising Islamic facts.